Good day, gentlemen. You've done some beautiful artwork. I watched that introductory video on the owl that you're going to draw, and I have in front of me an example from Miss Johns of an owl. And now I'd like to challenge you in Design Tech to create a bit of a stand so that you can demonstrate how beautiful your owl is in your house, just to put it up perhaps in your bedroom or in the lounge and so on. So what we're looking at now is something along the lines of a little stand that I could balance this on. But as you can see, paper is not going to be very strong and it's going to be a bit of a problem. So the very first step is to put this onto a piece of cardboard. Now I've cut this piece of cardboard from a Kellogg's box and I intend pasting it on the back of the drawing. And I'm just going to do a very quick, maybe just a few corners. You guys can do more if you want, but we're just going to demo now. And on she goes. Right, now as you can see, it's a lot stronger. It can stand by itself. And if I took my little stand now, I could even put it vertical, or I could put it horizontal, and it should all work quite nicely. Now, how do we make this stand? So I've put online for you a template, which you're going to print out and cut out. Once again, you're going to need some cardboard. So if I look around and I find some cardboard, I found this little cardboard box from some printing, and I'm going to stick that on there. And that's how a template works. And then you cut it all out and you're going to keep the strong part. So then print it out again quickly. Sorry, let me glue it on again. Alright, so this is called a template, and you often get these when you buy a new product. You may remember I taught you back in the first term that if you want to cut out something like this and you're finding it very difficult, is just to cut out something much bigger where you can be far rougher. And then you can come back and do a more accurate cut. So now I can get in there and be more accurate like that and so on. Oopsie. I should have cut this first here. Now, the reason we put this dotted line down the middle is so that you can find out where the axis of symmetry is and then try to fold it along that line. And I'm pretty much done now. And this is just a little first try. You guys can try different sizes. And once you've done that and you're really happy and you're chuffed with yourself, you might decide, you know what, I've always got a problem with my phone. And how could I make one that is suitable for my phone? Or maybe an iPad. I'm going to reach forward and grab an iPad. Maybe you want one for an iPad. But you can be as inventive as you want. And you can take photos and give them to Miss Johns and Mr. Earl, and we can evaluate how clever you are. But I'd be delighted to see different designs and different shapes. Here I could just cut that a little bit off if I wanted to, and you could just come up with your own inventions there. So I challenge you. Let's see what you can do. Cheers, guys.